Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys we're going to clean the sofas, refresh the fabrics, get the stains out. There's going to be this sofa and a few stools. So we're going to use distilled water, Bill Hammered, Surfix HD, all-purpose cleaner, a drill brush, and the spot wash vacuum extractor. The first thing I do, I dampen the surface with some distilled water. It will help us to spread the chemical a little bit better and with the extraction as well. Then I work in the chemical and agitate it with the drill brush. It's gentle enough, it won't ruin your fabric. Then we use our extractor to get the chemical and dirt mixture out of the fabric. And obviously you can see stains in certain areas, and it will pull some dirt out. And the other indicator is the foam, which is not white, actually it has this brownish color, which means that the fabric is contaminated and has dirt within it. So I'll try to pull out as much fluid out of the fabric as I can. And one indicator is you can see the see-through plastic. It shows you that we're pulling some foam, but as soon as it stops pulling anything, you will be able to see that, and that is the moment where I stop. And all you need to do is just wait the fabric to dry. Certain areas need additional agitation. As you can see over here, I will work in this area specifically and then extract it. By the way, I'm using the dilution ratio of this APC is 1:20, and I find it quite effective. Although this is a not dedicated fabric cleaner, but I find it quite effective for this job, and it's quite cheap. But to be honest, you can use any fabric cleaner you can find on the market. You can even take a cheap Astonish one. This is quite popular in Britain. It's cheap, but it will do the job as well. Now certain fabrics change their look or their pattern based on how you wipe them. If you wipe them in one direction, they will have an even pattern, an even look, which is very interesting with these kind of fabrics. Car fabrics normally do that on more premium cars, so I just use a microfiber towel to even them out. It took me about an hour and a half to do one sofa and two stools. I did not extract every single part of these sofas or stools. Some areas I just wiped them down, it was more than enough, but I focused on the areas that were stained and that were set on, because as soon as we put our arms, we might have oil on them, we sweat, and there's this transfer onto the fabric. Think of it as a cloth that absorbs everything. And you can see I'm pulling out some nasty stuff. This could be transferred from some dirty trousers or anything like that. In time it accumulates. But these sofas or stools, they came out pretty well. So certain areas that haven't been sat on or touched, I just wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. They don't have any spills. They might have some light surface stains, but they come out really easy with just microfiber agitation. So it took about an hour and a half for the fabric to dry completely. it will depend on the temperature in your house as well. The fabrics were not only visually clean, but also felt nice to the touch. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.